We are in our Leila Fletcher Book 1, page 26, and we are playing the donkey. Now both hands are on middle C again, and we have half notes that are going to get 2 counts on donkey. 1, 2, 1, 2. And on the word day, that's a whole note. It gets 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the bottom line where the donkey is braying, he's saying hee-haw, hee-haw. The dotted half notes get 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's play this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's play it one more time, and this time I won't count. 1, 2, ready, go.